Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by confirming basics so the keyboard options show correctly. Open Settings, then General Management, then Language and Input. This path exposes input engines. Once you tap on Screen Keyboard, choose Samsung Keyboard and look for Text Input or Smart Typing. Make sure to keep Wi-Fi or mobile data on if you want cloud suggestions synced. This initial step locates the predictive text controls so you can turn features on in the next slide. Now you'll enable the core predictive features and tailor them. Turn predictive text on and consider auto-replace if you want corrections applied automatically. This speeds typing but can change words. Once enabled, open Suggestions or Smart Typing to allow personalized suggestions and clipboard sync so your frequently used phrases appear. Make sure the active languages match your typing. Adjust layout and feedback so predictions fit how you type. These settings refine accuracy and reduce distracting corrections. Finish by testing predictive text in a real app and consciously using suggestions so the keyboard learns your style. If predictions seem off, clear keyboard data or reset personalized suggestions, then toggle predictive text off and back on to force recalibration. Once done, restart the phone to ensure settings take effect. If problems persist, update Samsung Keyboard in the Galaxy Store. Updating often fixes bugs and improves suggestion models.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.